Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Betterment app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Betterment app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Betterment. Press the search button to begin the search. Locate the Betterment app in the search results. The app icon features a simple, modern design. Tap on the Betterment app to view more details. On the app page, look for the Install button. Tap the Install button to start the download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, you will see the app icon on your home screen. Tap on the Betterment icon to open the app. If you are a new user, select Get Started. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter the required information, such as your name and email address. Create a secure password for your account. Follow the prompts to complete your profile setup. This may include answering questions about your financial goals. Once your profile is set up, you may need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Betterment. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Betterment app and log in using your credentials. Now you're ready to start investing with Betterment. Explore the app features and familiarize yourself with the interface. Set your financial goals to make the most of your investment journey. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Betterment app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.